How to disable repeated posts on Reddit. Now, in order to disable the repeated posts on Reddit, there is no straightforward fix, but you can use some settings in order to get fewer repeated posts on Reddit. In order to get those features, go over your profile and tap to these three lines from the top right corner in order to get this settings. Then tap to settings and go to your account settings under general. Then, after going into the account setting, scroll down until you see the option of curate your profile and tap into that. Now, in the curate your profile section, simply tap to this content and activity. And from here, if you have set your content and activity to customize, in that case, you might have selected some special niche contents in there, and because of that you might have seen some repeated content in that specific niche. In order to fix that, you can either choose show all, which will show more posts and you will have the lesser chance to get the repeated posts, or you can hide all of the contents that you see recommended in the home page. Both of these situations might have their own drawbacks, but you might fix your repeated posts issue in Reddit, or you can straightforward disable this show recommendations in home feed, and then your problem might get fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.